Alrighty guys, I already had it fired up once. I gotta finish up my, I think I'm gonna take some of that, I got some of that epoxy that you can mix up, and I think I'm gonna sand this up real good, and I think I'm gonna put me a nice finger shape push-pull thing so I could easier grab onto my choke. But I got pull on it just right. There we go. It's almost kicking on the high idle. There it goes. Just got to pull a little harder. It's real hard to. I think I need to change my geometry just a little bit in there, but you'll hear the high idle kick off. If I reach in and, well, even if I pull it with my hand, it kind of. If I remember right, this carb had a few issues, but another option I was thinking is coming out and having a flip lever here, but I don't know. This will work. If I pull it fast, it'll get the high idle, but that thing's hard on the fingers. I need a knob on it. I don't know, don't feel bad. Carb's got a weird flat spot in it. I might have to bump the throttle up. It's rough tuned in. I don't know if I've got enough flow going through it for the idle circuit to the low speed circuit to work right, because or maybe I got a partial blockage in there. I can back the high screw up, or the low screw out as much as I want, and it won't load up. But let's see if she'll restart the muffler mod. I did my 2 pipes, and then I added some, and I can actually feel some coming out down here, so I actually might enlarge some of these after test cuts. We'll have to see. I'm hoping the finicky carb adjustments will go away when I get an air filter on it. We gotta open our door, guys. Well, it's not blowed up yet. Wonder how it's gonna cut. What RPM it's gonna want to pull in the cut. Air filter, choke knob, a little more tuning, possibly a carb kit. The diaphragms looked pretty stretched out on this carb. I don't know. It lives. Just at the start. Don't like that part throttle pickup it's got, but baby steps. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Just take it easy and have a good one.